So you got a boat and want to add music to enjoy your time out on the water, but you just don't know where to start. No problem, I got you covered. Now, are you looking for a moderate system, or are you looking to go overboard with the Killer Kicker sound system? The proper way to start designing your system is by choosing the right radio or source unit, because you need to find a radio or source unit that has all the features you want or need to give you exactly what you're looking for. Features like AM, FM. Do you need an auxiliary input? Are you planning to stream your music via Bluetooth? Do you need zone control? What about weather band? Do you need a 6-channel amplifier built in? What about satellite radio compatibility? All these features are very important when choosing the right radio or source unit. Now that we've chosen the right source unit for your sound system, let's look at the existing cutouts to replace the factory speakers. Or can we add more speakers? Now remember, adding more speakers will make the system a lot louder, but it will also require power. So you have a wide variety of options here, anywhere from a 4-channel marine amplifier up to an 8-channel marine amplifier. Or maybe you just want to go modest with a 5-channel marine amplifier, which will power your 4 speakers and a subwoofer to give you that complete sound experience. With KICKER Real Marine Audio, your only limitation is your imagination. For more information on these products or designing a system, please visit kicker.com or call our tech support department. We'll hear you out on the water.